today's golden strategy. So let's take a look at the daily level first. So what about the daily level of gold mentioned before? I'm doing that here. Such a form of diamond. What about the other 2 days? The daily level is also the same. What about this takeout? Also broke through. This is in the form of a diamond. This pressure on the hypotenuse. So today, or last night, what about the take-up of such a daily line? Is to achieve this. Such a high point in the early rebound of gold. Such a location. That is to say, is there an average level of this pressure here? The pressure level is around 2,720. It is also his current price. So actually, what we need to pay attention to is today's daily level closing line. Will this pressure level be exceeded? Or will it be under pressure here and finally accepted? You need to pay attention to this issue. But do you want to confirm this? We can only wait for today's daily line to close. But if it comes to this, if we have such a strategy today, what? You have to switch to a small cycle. Go see. So let's say we use 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes. As you can see, it's also obvious that it just happened to achieve this high point. Well, his rally has slowed down a bit now. But let's zoom in a little bit. Is its rise slowing down? To be honest, it is also a relatively strong one. It belongs to a strong high-level consolidation. Let's make a converging triangle here. So what does it mean? What about the bull sentiment in the market? Is it okay? The pair of a long-haired has not yet been set. This is suppressed. Go down. Maybe there's still room for upward impact. At least I think on today's pledge. On the plate, let's not say what the harvest will be like when the daily line is closed. It is very likely during the day. Will it go up and break through this position? So, I think today, there is a high probability that there will be a sudden wave. But what about this breakthrough? Maybe there are 2 forms. Then one is to say in this position, he pulls back first, pull it up again, break through again. Then there is another relatively powerful one. Do you want to make a narrow wick directly here? I haven't gone through a major pullback like this either. I'm directly in this position. Just brush up. Just pull over. If there is such a state in a desk, I think what about everyone? It's possible to make a breakthrough on this right side. Do you want to follow more orders? But what do you need to pay attention to? I'm switching to a slightly bigger one here. Cycle. Switch to a 4-hour one, which is convenient for everyone to watch. It is important to note that after his breakthrough, such a pulled-up state. For example, after he broke through, is it a quick pull? So, I think everyone needs to be careful about this multiple order, because generally speaking, it pulls up quickly. It means this market may come to an end in the short term. Maybe finally. Do you want to take back today's daily line? Do you want to take it back, or did you receive it near here? Maybe you can't receive it. But what if you broke through? Is this one slowly rising? If such a trend is slowly rising, then it's very possible. Do you want to close today's daily line? So it depends on his income. How do you go after a breakthrough? How did this pull up? You just need to pay attention to this problem, HMM. In general, so that's the strategy for today, in one day. I think it's too much. It's a bad strategy. So what if there's an opportunity that may take a little later? Later time means, like me, as I was saying, that is to say, after his breakthrough, it was a sharp rise. What about after the sharp rise? Well, maybe in the afternoon or evening. Do one on top of this top reversal pattern. After that, breakthrough again. It may be late. There will be a kind of this day. Such an empty order opportunity. So let's see him first. Morning or this time of day. How to go about this wave of market trends?